Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's another day on my mom things. I'm here getting my baby ready for school. While my other baby is here kicking, if you guys can see her little feet. Say morning to the face, guys.
Morning, babe. Morning.
You guys, as you guys can see, I'm already in workout attire. Kyle, I'm talking. Stop the noise. Don't let me tell you I'm talking to stop the noise again. As you guys can see, I'm in workout attire. You guys are trying to get up though. Turn around, Ty. Because I'll take whatever chance I get to work out this morning. So I'll just have to wait on Sarah to go down for her nap. And then I just capitalize on that time. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated. You guys see this? I still can't leave her here without taking my eyes off her. Look at her. You guys see that? Look at her. Oh my God, this girl is growing up way too fast. Look at my child. Look at Sarah. Oh my God. Sarah, what are you trying to do?
What are you trying to do?
Sarah? What in the world are you trying to do, girl?
Sarah, you are trying to fall?
Sarah, I can't believe you're trying to get up off your brother's bed. You guys, just look at my child. Give me a foot. Y'all just look at Sarah.
I'm looking too.
Look at her trying to get up. Come, put your foot in.
She wants to jump off my bed.
Look at her getting up though.
Jump off my bed.
I don't know where she's jumping to, you know?
No? I think she's going to
Oh my God. Look at
she's going to break my pictures.
Please. Put your foot in.
Mama, I love you.
I love you too. Look where Sarah reach. You guys look where Sarah reach. Ready to crawl. I soon have to leave her in her crib and drop the crib down low, because this means she's gonna be standing any minute and I can't leave the crib high before she come out. This girl. Sarah, slow down, man. Slow down. You're growing up too fast.
Mama?
Yes, Ty.
One day.
Come sit. Let me do here.
Alexa.
Yes, Tyler.
One day. Yesterday. It was untouched. It was like that. And then a girl read that named Lola.
Fix it?
Yes.
Ooh. Lola. Lola is your friend?
No, it's the friend of Stella and Julia.
Okay, so she's not your friend? So if she fix your clothes, she must be a friend.
Okay. But Lola, Stella, and Julia, they are the same house.
Okay.
And they have the same mama.
Oh?
Same papa.
Okay.
Same papi. Same mommy.
Okay, cool. And put your shoe on, your shoes on.
Mama.
Look at this little face.
Mama.
She finds the camera. Look at this little face. Yes, Dad?
Every time
Go and put on your shoes. These little faves. Say morning to the faves. Look, so the camera here. Sarah, turn around.
Yes.
Say morning, everybody. Say morning, everybody. How are y'all doing? Say hello, everybody. How are y'all doing? Hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Bonne année 2020.
Tyler said bonne année 2020, which means happy 2020. Happy New Year 2020. So have a good day, because we're gonna have a good day, because mama gonna work out, and that means she'll have a very, very good day.
Yes, I'm not going to school.
And Ty is going to school, and Sarah is gonna do what? Just play all day and sleep and give mama trouble. Right?
It's going to give you trouble, Mama.
Ready to go to school?
But trouble is naughty.
Trouble is naughty.
Yeah.
No, she's just a baby. She gonna do baby things. Ready to go to school?
When I finish that one, we can go.
You're gonna have a good day.
Yeah.
You're gonna listen to your teacher.
Yeah.
You're gonna be nice to your friends.
Yeah.
You're gonna eat up all of your lunch at canteen.
Yeah.
And what else you're gonna do? Be
Nice.
and be
Happy.
and be patient
Patient.
and be kind.
Kind.
Right.
Ma.
And share all of your
Think.
very good.
But there is no call that's there's calls at school, but every time I don't play with you.
That's okay. You play with whatever teacher say you to play with.
I can only play for the recreation.
Right, that's okay. That's what you're supposed to do at school. At school you go to learn, not to play with toys. Okay?
Okay.
It's green juice time. Before I head out, let me get some energy. Green juice time. Come there, drink up fast. I have to go. Ready? I just finished running and I hear Who is this? Who is this? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Huh? Who is this? You're awake. You're awake. You just give mama enough time to run? But I appreciate it, girl. Yes, girl. I appreciate it. Because I got my run in. That's all that matters, right? Oh my God. I haven't gotten a chance to do anything else because she's awake. But I'm going to put her down on her playmat and see if I can get a little bit more in. So let's see. Look at her. Girl. 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 Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that face. Oh, you're gonna play on your mat so Mama can finish up? Alright, let's do this. Peppa Pig is on. Go watch Peppa Pig. Baby only give me 30 minutes of sleep this morning, and I took it. I took every last second. She went down, I went running, and as I'm about to finish, I wanted to do some more leg work on the treadmill, but as I'm about to get deep into it, I hear the cry on the monitor. Look, and she's up. So I got done that and I put her on her play mat, and she allowed me to get my weights in, my arm weights in. So thanks to Sarah, I got my workout done this morning. Now I'm in the kitchen and it's breakfast time. Breakfast time, you guys. I'm back doing eggs. I'm back doing eggs, okay? Don't say anything. Don't you dare say anything. So I'm gonna do eggs, plantain, and let's see what else I'm gonna throw in there. There goes breakfast. Grub time. I'm so hungry. Dirt looks so good. Steamed carrot and beans and broccoli and zucchini for soup, and the jerk sauce. Looks so good.
Hey guys, well, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, everybody. It's the end of today. It has been a long day. It has been a long day for me, but I'm sure it has been a very long day for Babe. She did so much today, I'm sure. And when I came back from work, I saw a tired wife. Being at home is far to be easy. I don't know how she managed to do all of the things that she's doing for only one day. I mean, when is the weekend, we are two, and there's so much thing that we want to do and that we can do. And whenever I have to take care of Tyler, whenever I have to take care of Sarah, it's so hard to take care of Sarah. It's so hard to take care of Sarah and to do things. I just have to do a laundry or put the clothes on the line or things like this, and I struggle to do both. So when I see everything that babe does during the day and take care of Sarah and take care of Tyler in the morning and on the evening, wow. All of the mom at home, and should I say that we only have Sarah and Tyler. All of the mother that have more than 2, like 3 or 4 or 5 kids. Big respect. Take care of your kids. That's already a big job. That was a little word from today. Hope you all having a good day. It's January. I don't know where you live, but it's January. Well, it's January everywhere. But what I mean is that it's kind of good outside. Morning is cold, but once the sun is out, it feels good. It's like winter forget us this year. So let's see. I think it was like 2 years ago. December, January was so good, and then in February is snow like. Well, snow is pretty, but you don't want to be outside when it's snowing. So yeah, keep warm, enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and yeah, catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys tomorrow for sure.